Alright guys, so creating other types of book on BookBolt is still the same process that we use in creating a notebook in the previous video. All you need to do is still the same process. Go to your BookBolt dashboard, select the create and open a BookBolt Studio. Now once you get your BookBolt Studio, create a new project. All the same process. There's nothing different. Yeah, the only difference is that you're going to select a different page templates. Okay, so you create a new project just like before. Select paperback, cover, and interior. Then you can now change this. You can name your project. Let's say I want to create a journal. Okay, I'm gonna create a journal. Let's say my journal. I'm gonna create my. Let's say the project name is my journal 2. And the size of the book, like always, this way I use, you can write only your own name, but my own, when I'm designing, I like to put in the size of the project so that I can identify it while I uploading it on Amazon. So is a 6x9, I think, yeah, a 6x9 inches book. So the trim size here, select 6x9. This is a typical size for a journal, 6x9. Although the bigger size, a big size journal should be around 8.5x11 or 1169, all the same. But generally, if you check on Amazon, like the previous videos I showed you, you see that most journals are going with the 6x9. Almost the best-selling journals are going with 6x9. Would make sure that you are selecting the right trim size, the right size for your book. You have to go through that research, go back to the video and watch through the research video to show you how to check the best-selling books, check out the size of those books and the number of pages that they have, so that to give you idea of what type of book you'll be creating. So yeah, I'm selecting 6x9 since it's a journal that I'm creating. Now on interior and book type, paper type is a black and white interior and white paper. This is the normal. This one is cost effective, is cost efficient, is low cost. Amazon doesn't spend a lot of money printing, so your profit will be higher. If you select colored interior, Amazon will spend a lot of money in printing it, and they will so it's best to select the paper, a black and white interior with white paper. Leave it at bleed, and then how many pages do you want the journal to be? I prefer 120 within 100 and 200 pages, but I prefer 120 pages for my journals. You can leave it at 100. Okay, let's leave this one at 100. Let me select 100 page journal. Leave it at bleed so that your design will cover all the cover design. There will not be any white space in your book cover. So leave it at bleed, select the number of pages, and then click on create. It's going to create a new project for us. We are going to now design our book cover. We'll design our book cover and add page templates. Now remember, like I showed you previously, before we start designing our book cover, we need to remove all this right up here. Remove all this so that everything will be clear. Select this box here, cover template opacity. Select it and hide cover templates. Click OK. I've hidden everything. So now another thing you need to do is to select file library. This is where you're going to upload the image that you've created. The image you created for this particular design. Okay, let's say book cover image. There are other images I've already uploaded here. I think I put them in category. I go. These are other images that I uploaded. Let me see if there is a dark. I need something dark background. I don't have dark background here. My uploads. Let me just search. Now another thing that BookBolt has, they have Pixabay and there is Upsplash, Unsplash. These are free. These are a platform where you can download images for free. You can download let's say we want to search on Pixabay, a dark background. These are already copyright-free images that you can use for your book cover. You can also search for it. Search for any color here. Select the color category and the search. But I have an image already. I don't know where I kept it. So let me upload it again. Click on upload image. I want to upload the image again. Let's see. Select desktop. Okay, yeah, these are the image. This is the okay. Yeah, this one. Let me just upload that image. I want to use that image as my the background of my book cover. Then a journal. Sorry, it's a journal that I'm uploading. So I'll select that one. Good. This is the image here. I'm gonna just stretch this out. I'll stretch it out to cover the whole book cover. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Select it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Yeah, I think it's stretched now. Yeah, stretch it. Just make sure that it covers everywhere so that when Amazon is printing it, there will not be any white space at the edges here. Make sure that the image you selected is covering everything. Good, it has covered everything. We can now write anything on. Now, normally journals doesn't you just see a blank, just a design. Maybe they will now write journal or write something inspiring on here. If you have something inspiring to write here, you can do that. But if you don't have, you can just leave it. Now, for me, I think I'm just gonna add. I'm not writing anything on it. This is my journal. I'm not going to write anything on the journal. I'm just going to put some few design at the top of. Okay, let's say I want to use this star shape. I want to add something. Let's say shape. No, this shape is not okay. Good. I want to use this star shape. I'm going to add this star shape here. Adjust it. This is something you just play around with. Okay, just play around with it. Make sure that it's okay. Okay, nice. Then I want to add something else inside it. Yeah, add this shape. This is just something you just play around with. Just make it yours. Design in a way that you like. Okay. Okay, this is just what I want in my book cover for the diary. Okay, for the journal. Sorry. So now I've designed this is a book. This is just a cover I've designed. I just designed it now. You can make your own design what you like, do a lot of things to design. You can add a lot of icons here. You can even write some maybe inspirational quotes by the side. There is a way people, I've seen one that wrote, you just by the side, like they will write some quotes and put them at the side just to make the cover unique and appealing to customers. So if you have ideas of what you make your own make it unique for your own customers, go ahead and do it here. Add it to this design. So I've done that. I'm gonna go straight to the next page, which is the first page, page 1. Now, this is a journal. Normally, journals have pages, have other things in pages, like as you can see, if some journals will have let's say to-do, they have many things inside. They also have space for where the user can write things. So these are the type of things you do. You can just take your time and spice it up a little. I've already showed you in the previous videos. I'm also showing you it now. You do the same thing for coloring book, for calendars, planners. Just take your time and add a lot of things to spice it up a little. Okay, so I'm gonna remove notebook here. I want something for planner and to do. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna add for the first page. I want something unique for the first page where they can write, maybe write their personal information and other take list. Okay. Account info. Okay, yeah, I want the first page to be something like this. They can add the account information on the first page. Sorry, let me drag this up. Select the page that you want it to be added. You can add it the first and second page, but I want something else to be on the second page. I want to add to-do list on the second page. This account information is the first page. I'm going to click next, submit. Remember to leave the other place default. Okay, so your account info will be here, an address. Okay, yeah, it's your account info and leave it there. Then select the second page, go back here and select page templates. Now I want to add to-do lists. This is a monthly to-do list. There's a weekly planner, monthly to-do list. So I'm going to add the to-do list on the second page. I add it on this second page. Okay, and then leave this everything here default as it is. Don't change anything. Click on submit. Then the third page, I'm going to select from the third page to the last. I'm going to select, let it all be the same. So I'm going to select the third page, go to page templates. Now remove all this. I want a journal. This is a journal. This is how a page for journal. Okay, there are three options here. There's a wide journal, there's college journal, and narrow journal. Now this narrow is, the lines will be tinier. College also tiny, just like a normal notebook. I prefer going with wide. Is what most people are using. So I will select, since we have, how many pages do we have? Let me check. We have 100 pages. So I want the last page to be something else. Okay, I want the last page to be calendar. So I'm gonna go here and say, select this option that says select from. So I'm gonna select from page 3, add 3. Okay, to which page? I'm gonna say 99. So from page 3 to page 99, I'll be selected. As you can see, number 100 is still not selected because it's selected from page 3 to 99. So select it and click on next. Leave everything here the way it is. Click on submit. It's going to populate from page 3 to page 99. All that, yeah, the templates have been selected. So we can now scroll down to the last page, which is the 100 page. Select 100 and select page template again. Now I want to add something fun. Yeah, we wanted to add calendar. Okay, yeah, let's add calendar to it. Let's add calendar. I saw that calendar somewhere. Let's just scroll down and look for a calendar. Now, there are so many templates here. I mean, there are so many types of book you can publish using this software. All you need to just take out time. You can just dedicate like a month to publish or create all type of books. Just pick each category, pick each of them and create a book for each of them. At the end of the day, you might have over 100 books created. Then you start publishing all of them on Amazon. There's nothing that will make you not to sell every month. There's nothing that will make you not to sell. Let's create this fitness calendar. I need a normal calendar. I need a fitness calendar. I need a normal calendar. Dream journal. I need, what's going on? I'm trying to find a normal calendar. You can even add notes. Okay, I think. Okay. Mm, there's another thing you can do. You can add a normal journal page in an even number and add a different design in an odd number page. You just play around with it, and but let me just add this calendar first, then we can now look at that. Since I can't find calendar here. This is a monthly schedule. Okay, I think we'll just use this monthly schedule. It's something useful. It's something useful. Someone with a journal can use to, every month they can schedule. Okay, and let's see. I need something easier, like a calendar. I'll just add notes. Let me just add it as notes. Okay, select notes. So we're gonna add it at the last page as 100. Yeah, click on next. Sorry, click on next. Leave it default. On submit. All right, so we have all our pages selected. We have all our pages selected from number 1 to 100, and I think everything is done. You can see this odd number, even number. You can also, like I said before, you can use a different design on an odd number, on an odd number page, and use a different design on an even number page. Just play around with it and just mix things up a little bit, just to make your own book more unique and attractive, so that customers will love it. They will review it. Other customers will come and buy because other customers are recommending it, and they love using your book. So it's to your own advantage that you take your time and play around with this, create unique projects that will sell. So now that we are done creating, go ahead and click on download. This is where you're going to download the book you've created. This process is the same for both coloring book, planner, calendar, fitness tracker, all the templates. Just take your time and design different types of templates, and once you're done, go ahead and publish and download using the same current project, not page. Make sure it's current project and CMYK printed books. This is what you can publish on Amazon. Other type, if you download this ebook, current project ebook, you only publish it as an ebook. You can't publish it as a printed book. But with this printed book, that's what will be accepted as a printed book and can be printed on Amazon. So go ahead and select it. It's going to check and format everything, make sure everything is in order, then you print. So I'm going to pause this video to let it go ahead and process the design that we've created. Okay, I think it's faster. Let me just leave it to finish up. 71 out of 100. So the system is processing the book, let me just give you a small tip. Creating book. See, there are millions of sellers on Amazon. They are selling similar types of book. You need to make your own book unique. Your design, try and give it a unique touch, like we did in this book. While we are creating this book, we added a few things. Don't just make a normal design that everybody is doing. You can add a little things to it, like I suggested before, quotes. You can get some popular quotes. Let's say you are creating a journal. You can create popular quotes, make it as tiny. Just add them at the edge of your book, or icons. Just make your own book lively. if you don't know, maybe you are not too good in designing and you want something more unique and attractive, you can go on Fiverr and pay someone to create a unique designs for you. They can create more than one, create in bulk. They create it for you, you download them, then use each of them to create books and then publish it on Amazon. Now, what is the design actually that attracts buyers? The inside of the book, the interior of the book is usually the same. Almost everyone is designing the same interior. So what to make your own book stand out most of the time is your design. What people can see is your design that people can see. So if you have a unique design that is attractive, that people see and they love it, then they're going to buy more. They keep buying, and you keep making more sales every month, and your royalties will be very, very big. So I think this thing is taking a long time. So let me just pause this video and allow it to finish up. Once it's finished up, we'll continue. All right, so the process is almost complete. Once it's done, we'll download the book and then prepare it, start publishing it on Amazon. I think we are almost done here. What's remaining now is to publish the book on Amazon, then we'll now promote the book so we can sell more every month. So all right, so BookBolt is putting a finishing touch on the book. So let's wait. Okay, good. Let's download the book on our desktop. As I showed you before, after you download the book, you need to extract it, because you can't the book, there will be other content inside it. It will be downloaded as a zip file, as a zip folder. So you need to extract it and unzip the folder so you can get both the cover and the interior. Now I think we are done with that. So quickly, so we'll go to the next video. The next video where I'm going to show you how to publish the book on Amazon, and they select a category for it. Selecting a category is a bit tricky, so but I'm going to show you the simplest way of selecting a category so that you don't need to bother yourself about that. You set a category, upload, just set up everything correctly and publish our book, make it to rank, and then I will also show you how to promote your book using Pinterest to get more traffic and increase your sale every month. Now, all these things, you don't need to. You are not going to spend money on the promoting of your book. It will be organic, and it will be very, very effective. Now, I just go to the next video. Let me show you how to publish it first. Then we'll proceed to the advert aspect. All right. So see you in the next video.